Hey guys, welcome back to Once Upon a DIY. Today is Thursday, and you know what that means. Every Tuesday and Thursday is quick draw days, and today is quick draw number 4. So let's get started. Okay, so I finished quick draw number 4. It is called a spirit chart. It's one of these. It says it's supposed to like bring out your ancestors, like protective powers, something like that. But I just think it's really pretty. See, the shape is this is more round. I did not accomplish the shape too well, but that's okay. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have been enjoying the quick draws.